Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus for baby. Prepare fully cooked or canned chickpeas and rinse well. Avoid salt and honey for infants. Measure a small portion and thin with breast milk, formula, or water to a smooth, runny consistency that baby can manage. Blend until perfectly smooth, strain if needed, and cool to lukewarm before serving 1 teaspoon to test for reactions and texture acceptance. In this video, I will explain how to make hummus for baby. Combine cooked chickpeas, a small amount of tahini, and a bit of breast milk or formula for thinning. Blend on high and scrape the sides, adding liquid a teaspoon at a time until it reaches a spoonable, swallowable consistency suitable for infants. Serve a single small spoon and monitor for reactions, storing leftovers in the fridge in a sealed container. In this video, I will help with flavor and storage for baby hummus. Use very mild flavoring, keeping lemon minimal and avoiding strong spices that may irritate a baby. Cool hummus quickly, portion into small containers, and refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze single servings for later. Thaw in the fridge and reblend if separation occurs, then warm to lukewarm and test temperature before offering a small spoonful to your little one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.